Okay, hey guys. No, wrong the product. So I broke my phone. Let me just get down a little. I broke my phone, which is so smart of me, and which means I had to get a new phone. Best Buy, since I got this from Best Buy and I have the Geek Squad protection plan, they gave me a replacement phone right here. The reason I made this video is to show you guys so if you get an S8 or you'll get stock with Samsung Experience, which is not good. You get Android 8, Samsung Experience 9, or whatever. I'll show you if I go to here, about phone, software, Android version 8, Samsung Experience version 9. So I went to Best Buy today. I'm like, hey, can you help me? Whatever, everything. They said, okay, sure. But I need to transfer every data. I did, which means I used a USB cable, stuck it right there. If you can see it right there, stuck it in. I was like, thank you. And I went home. And then I waited and everything transferred. You don't need to see that. Everything transferred. See? So yeah, everything transferred. And I was like, before I went out and just came back home, I asked them, how do I get Android 9? And he was like, it's like, okay, what carrier do you use? I said AT&T, and I'm like, okay, so AT&T, you might need to wait until nighttime. Put your SIM card in here, right here, and it will register in and be like, okay, so this is AT&T phone, let me just, and then once it's registered, it's gonna do an automatic update. It's gonna be like a message, pop-up message, like pop, and be like, okay, here, update it to the latest version of Android. Because right now, if I do it right now, check for updates, press OK. It said no update available for this device at this time. Please try again in 24 hours. Cool, okay, it doesn't work. That's what worried me at first. But now I figured everything out. This is going to be my new set. And next video, I'm not going to do a review for my Galaxy Buds because, time already passed. But the review I'm going to do is making a simple video, uploading it to YouTube, and see what you guys think about the sound quality of the mic. Because when I call my, so all other videos, if you notice, oh shoot, it says the Galaxy Buds mic is echoey. It doesn't sound good. But I would say otherwise. The Galaxy Buds. Let me just and then what's something I want to show you? Galaxy Buds on Android 8. It's just a pop-up. I don't think that. You notice it on Android 9 just back down. This does not work that well. I don't like it. I'm seeing my tablet. Well, because my tablet's on Android 7. You get it's old. I know. Don't say anything bad. Okay, don't say bad things about an old tablet. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And just for a recap, if you get a new phone and your phone last one updated, I'll say, okay, so if you have the S9 and it got the Android 10 update, but when you get it at Android 9, or you get the S10, S12 comes out 2 years later, and you get that, and then Android 11 actually by then comes out, and you're like, oh man, I got a new S10, but it's still on Android 10 or 9. How do I get to the latest version? Android 11. So just, put your SIM card in, wait for a few hours. The guy over there said, by nighttime should work, hopefully. No one knows. But yeah, just wait until nighttime and you'll be good. And actually, you can manually do it, or if you go to Smart Switch, See, oh my goodness, I'm choosing the wrong apps. Wrong app. Here, and go to Smart Switch. See, it says this. Bring your data to your new phone. You can, so for your old phone, either you do SD card right here, right? So see, or you'd say, if this was your old phone, you would put send data, cable or wireless. So I chose wireless at first, and I'm like, I did it. Not everything sent through, so I did what cable this time, because at Best Buy I chose this, and then it didn't work for some reason. I don't know. And when I did this, I chose cable. And so see, if you notice close, it says you want to send data, or if you have those double USB things, you know, it doesn't matter. You can just use either one. So yeah, I hope you liked this tutorial. And if you get a new phone, just reference back to this. And comment, how does this white look? Like, you know, some wrinkles over here. Comment below. And please subscribe and like. And just subscribe. That's all I care about. And like. See you in the near future. Bye.